So, isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is victory over death. So, victory over death is the triumph truth that through the death and resurrection of Jesus Christ, the final enemy, death itself, has been defeated. Death once reigned through sin, but Christ broke its power by rising from the grave. His resurrection is both the proof of our forgiveness and the pledge of our future immortality. For those united with Christ, death is no longer a fearful end but a glorious beginning, a doorway into eternal life with Him who said, I am the resurrection and the life. So ayon po sa 1 Corinthians chapter 15 verse 55, where, O death, is your victory? Where, O death, is your sting? So dumako naman po tayo sa ating katuruan. Death has been swallowed up in victory. So through Christ's resurrection, death has been conquered once and for all, and what once seemed final is now defeated. So next is death no longer hold any fear or sting. So noon ang kamatayan ay nakakatakot dahil sa kasalanan, pero ngayon wala na ang sting o kapangyarihan ng kamatayan dahil tinatawag tayo ni Kristo. And kaya bilang mga manampalataya, hindi na dapat matakot sa kamatayan. And that marks the beginning of a new life. So para sa mga nasa kay Kristo, ang kamatayan ay simula at hindi wakas. Ito ay daan patungo sa buhay na walang hanggan, kasama ang Diyos. And sa applications naman, face death with faith and courage. So harapin ang kamatayan o mga takot sa buhay nang may manampalataya at tapang, dahil alam mong tinalo na ito ni Jesus. And free yourself from fear and anxiety, dahil hawak ka na ng Diyos, huwag ka nang mabuhay sa takot o kaba. Magtiwala ka na ligtas ka sa Kanya ngayon at magpakailanman, and focus on the power of Christ's resurrection. So alalahan na ang kapangyarihan ng pagkabuhay ni Kristo ay nasa iyo. Mamuhay ng may pag-asa, kagalakan at layo, dahil may tagumpay ka kay Jesus. And I love po, maraming salamat.